What do you want for Christmas, Lori?
I want a Christmas tree.
Oh yeah? What else do you want for Christmas?
I want 2 Christmas trees.
2 Christmas trees. Oh my goodness. What else do you want? What kind of presents do you want?
I want to go to the car to get the presents.
You want to go to the car to get the presents? Okay, well what's going to be in your presents?
It's gonna be Firebird.
A Firebird?
No, I don't have a Firebird. I don't have a Firebird.
I don't either. Look at Mommy. What other present do you want?
What? You got the feather.
You want a feather?
I don't have a feather. Me either. I don't have a feather either. Me too.
Well, what else do you want for Christmas? Look at Mommy. What else do you want for Christmas?
The instruments are stuck.
Yeah.
The instruments are stuck in the jungle.
Are you done with this? Can you wave
No.
bye? Bye.